Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here, giving you a rate update. Today's September 25th in the morning, and let's look at what's going on in the charts. So mortgage bonds are down a little bit and treasury's a little up, which isn't great, but let's look at what we have going on. We have this correction, we have the bonds dropping, which means rates going up, but now they've gone back up, they're starting to normalize. Let's look at what happens here. This is called a pennant formation, like in baseball, a pennant. And when you have this going on, what typically happens is you look at the most recent trend, and that recent trend will tell you where we should see it go from here. So the trend was up, so we should see mortgage bonds going back up, which is a good thing. That means rates are going to continue to go down, which is what I've been saying. I said, be patient. Rates are going to continue going down. We're not going to see the rates going back up the way that we did over this last 2-3 weeks. So now we're looking at the treasuries. Treasuries is similar. We have some good signs here with these treasuries. We see the treasuries went down, came up. As treasuries go up, rates go up. So both of those together were really affecting us. Let's look at our trends here. So here we have this downward trend. And what do we see? We saw that this was abnormal. What we saw a few weeks ago, as low as the rates went, as quickly as they went down, that was abnormal. So we broke through, and this was the correction, came back up. So we're actually in a good range. We're in a normal range for that. So all signs are showing that we've had this drop in rates really quickly, an increase in rates really quickly, kind of balancing out. It was a correction. Let's look at this a different way as well. We still have that pennant formation here with the treasuries, and then we're going to go from there with the same trend. So things are looking great with rates. Been saying it all along. Rates are going to continue going down. When we see them go down more, when we get down where conventional rates are back in the threes for most people, and FHA and VA are in the low threes, you might want to jump in to do your refinances at that time, because you don't know when it's going to correct and go back up. There's always this up and down, but better to get in at a right moment. That's it for today with today's rate update. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd.